Now you have a website and you don't have a translator on your website, then you are doing the wrong thing. Because as you can see, the work of a translator is to translate the language of your site to any desired language, be it from English to Chinese, from Chinese to Italian to Spanish, and the rest. If you don't have a translator on your website, then you are not alone. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can add a Google Translator on your website. Even if your website does not have a translator, don't worry, by the end of this video, you should be able to put a translator on your video. If you know you're new to our YouTube channel, I want you to smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever I release videos like this, you'll be the first person to see the video. You have a website and you don't have a translator on your website, and people are finding it very difficult to see or read the language of maybe I'm a Chinese and I don't understand English that very well. So how do I add a translator to my site? Now, if you have this kind of my script, HYP Mass version 10, and what you can just see here is these three translator here, and you want to add an external translator, this video is for you. So let's go straight to the point. Now I have logged to my CPanel. What you need to do here, you need to log into your CPanel, then go, if you are having this investment script, which is this, if you have this very investment script, this is how you add a translator to your site. So first of all, we are going to add a translator to this login page here. We need to add a translation to this place. So what we are going to do, we are going to go to our URL or the folder you use here. They come to core, come to resources, they come to view, then the team is team 5, then you come to user, then you go on auth. So from this auth, you see login blade and register blade. So you need to click this login blade and click on edit here. Now, this very place you are seeing here, this login your account, we need to fix a translator up here. So if you look at your script, this is the place. So we need to add a translator here. We need to add a translator here. So now we'll teach you where you are going to get a translator. Just go to your Google and type W3 School, or you just type how to add Google Translator. You see W3 School will come out. So click on W3 School, and we are going to impute this translator on the site. Yeah. So once you are here, I want you to just copy this. Just copy up to this very script. Then just copy it and come back here. Then once you are here, all you just need to do is just to paste it here like this. Just for you to paste it here like this, and you are good to go. So the next thing you do here, you click on your save button, come to your site, and you refresh. Your translator should appear automatically. This is our translator. So you do this thing also for the register blade. You do this for the register blade also. Locate where you see account, create account. Just come to this place, and you just drop it here, and you just move like this. So you can even introduce your center attribute. You can even introduce your center attribute. So just cut this and you come and drop it at the end of your script. Yeah. Then you save. So if we load our register page also, our translator should appear there on our register page. So if you click on register, you see that our translator will appear also. So that's how you add a translator to your site. Now, take for instance, you want to add it to the home page. You want to add, maybe replace this, this very one that is here. You want to replace it, this very one. You want to replace it. So this is our home page. So all you need to do is go back. Let's look for layout and search for header.blade. Come to this place, and we are going to locate this. We are going to locate this and replace it with what we have. So you come down, and where you see language translator, we need to search it, language translator. You see change language. So what you want to do, just select from this select and replace it with what you just copied. Copy it, go back to your header, delete this and paste it there. So automatically your language translator should appear there. So I'm going to refresh my page here, and my language translation should replace that immediately. It is perfect here. So when someone comes to your site, I can easily come and translate maybe Espanol. I can easily come and translate my site to Espanol, so I can, understand what I'm doing. So this is how you add a language translator to your website, your investment website, or any kind of website you are doing. So you can decide to put the language translator on your footer. Maybe you are not using this script, you can do that on your footer. So I want you to go to the comment section. If you find value in this video, drop comment. Or if you have any question as regard to any tech script or any video, you can drop the question or the comment section. Will come there and we'll answer those questions. So if you found value to this video, I want you to click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that when we release video next time, you'll be the first person to see them.